There it is, guys. It took us a little while, but here it is. Okay, welcome again, everyone. So all we're doing here is getting ready to unbox this bad boy. I did purchase this on Amazon. It's called the Von Racer gaming chair. I especially like this one because I know the boys are going to be doing assignments. Well, I see them doing assignments for hours and hours because they're ninth graders. They are always up doing assignments. So the more comfortable the chair, the better grades I will get. Just saying. All right, so it comes with a manual. All the pieces are inside. So we're just taking them out and trying to figure out like what goes where. So we're just taking them out of the boxes and the plastic. And Xone is a huge help. They always say if you want to fix something around the house, or if you get like a new phone or anything that's new, that's technology. But anything you get that's brand new, give it to a kid and they will figure it out for you. So I'm super excited to have her help me fix this up. She did figure some things out when we were putting it together that probably I would have to go in the manual for. It came with a glove, a pair of gloves. Put on the gloves. You know, when you purchase it, go ahead and put your gloves on. It's going to protect your fingers. All right, so we're looking at the first step of how to set up, how to get started.
This part doesn't fit in there.
Hold on, let's see.
Hold on, what if we have to... Oh, we have to turn it where the holes are. The holes. Yes!
Good job, Zon.
I literally just figured that out. So let's put these parts on. And then we can put...
Good Zon, good Zon.
I just figured that out. So now you know how to put it on?
I do.
But I think it's much easier. So yeah, I think it's much easier when we take this off and put it on.
Good job, good job. And
Ow, no, it's not fitting. It doesn't go in. It doesn't go in. I'll do this. Mama, which way is it?
to the right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh, that way. So it's gonna be this way to do it? You have to hear the... Why does it have to be so complicated? Can you come on this one? And voila!
Step 2. So look, turn the star base upright and insert the lid.
Literally, Mom, I just did it. Mom, that's so easy. I literally just did it.
Okay. So there's something else though. Yay. Okay.
I told you, Mommy.
I heard you the first time.
I don't think.
Alright, babe.
Oh.
So this is like the bracket that you're gonna screw onto the chair itself, and then you're gonna put it on the base. So right now we're just fitting this to the chair itself and making sure that it's tight. I did put the gloves on. Okay.
Okay, I hope you know where to put it.
It's heavy.
Okay, I'm putting it.
Okay, not to brag, but look at the level of accuracy. Look at that. Is it in there? Perfection. Watch out, high five. Nice. Teamwork make the dream work. Okay.
Okay, now I think we gotta twist.
Oh. Bring the bolts. Bring the bolts. Alright, it says we're not supposed to tighten them all the way.
I got the other bolts though.
Alright, let's go.
Mommy, I can help you start it from here. So we're building a gaming chair because I think this is a good.
Alright.
We got a guys. Isn't this the life? Just sitting in a gaming chair. Opening box. What does it mean? Sign.
Okay. This one was giving some trouble.
Trouble double. No, like what does the plastic covering do? Like cover up the all the metal things.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Turn. There it is, guys. It took us a little while, but here it is. Okay, there you go. All right, this chair is not going to be for gaming. I just decided to buy these chairs because it's two of them, because the boys spend a lot of time doing homework, and so I wanted them to be comfortable. So, all right.
Yep. And now we're gonna try out the bottom part, which is a massager.
Yes, it does massage. So we are gonna try that. I
In
do
a
have the
little
port
bit.
in the kitchen, so we're gonna try that and let you guys know if it actually works. All right.
Okay. This is kind of like a gaming massaging chair. So while they're doing homework, they could have a little massage on the back.
Okay.
Okay, so see you guys in a little bit. Comment down below if you have a gaming chair just like this. Now it's time to turn the button.
Let's test it.
I'm so excited.
Go ahead.
Oh my God! Wow!
Does it work?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it massaging? Your lower back?
Mm-hmm.
That is so nice. Let me see. Let me see. What?
Mama, put your back on it. It's
I
so
am gonna put
comfortable.
my back on it.
I can't move after this. I can fall asleep on the chair.
Thanks for watching.
Peace. Bye.
There she is. Very beautiful, well made. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.